6 months ago, I was living on a low income, stressed about money, and convinced saving was impossible. Today, I had $10,000 saved, without winning the lottery, without a rich family, and without a high-paying job. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it, step by step, and how you can do the same. Welcome to Insight to Wealth, where we turn insight into real wealth. This isn't motivational talk, this is a real system that works even if you feel broke right now. Stay until the end, because I'll share the one mindset shift that made saving money finally stick. First, let me be honest. I didn't save $10,000 because I earned more. I saved it because I stopped leaking money. Most people don't fail at saving because of income. They fail because money disappears on autopilot. Before saving anything, I tracked every single dollar for 30 days. And what I found shocked me. I didn't cut everything. I cut the things that didn't matter. Streaming services I barely watched. Eating out when food was already at home. Small purchases that didn't add value. I asked one simple question before every expense. Does this improve my life, or just my mood? That one question saved me hundreds every month, without feeling deprived. Here's how the $10,000 broke down. $1,700 per month times 6 months. From expense cuts, small income boosts, and strict automation. No miracles. Just consistency. The biggest reason this worked? Automation. Every payday, money moved automatically into savings before I could touch it. I treated savings like a bill, not an option. When money isn't visible, it isn't tempting. Automation removed willpower from the equation. I stopped trying to look rich. And started trying to be free. No expensive upgrades. No lifestyle inflation. Every time I wanted to spend more, I reminded myself. Temporary sacrifice creates permanent freedom. I didn't get a new job. I made my current income work harder. Small things. Freelance gigs. Selling in used items. Learning one monetizable skill. Even an extra $200 to $300 a month made a massive difference. Saving isn't about one big move. It's about many small wins. Here's the mindset that changed everything. I stopped asking, can I afford this? And started asking, is this worth delaying my freedom? That single question stopped impulse spending instantly. Saving money isn't punishment. It's self-respect for your future self. If I could do it again, I'd start tracking earlier. Automate sooner. Invest part of the savings earlier. Stop comparing myself to others. Comparison is expensive. Focus is profitable. Let's recap how I saved $10,000 in 6 months on a low income. Tracked every dollar. Cut what didn't matter. Automated savings. Avoided lifestyle inflation. Boosted income slightly. Changed my mindset. If this video helped you believe saving is possible, like the video, subscribe to Insight to Wealth, and turn on notifications for more real money strategies. Comment below. What's your savings goal for the next 6 months? Remember, you don't need a high income to build wealth. You need a system.